You are going to love the 2018 WRX. The Subaru WRX is built with performance in mind. Not only does it provide corner-hugging ability and power galore, but it also provides fantastic fuel efficiency. Plus, you get the dependability that we've come to expect from a Subaru and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, traction control, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.